Are you uploading videos but getting 0 views? The problem isn't your content, it's your SEO. In this video, I'm sharing 5 YouTube SEO strategies that will help the algorithm find your videos and push them to the right audience. And the best part, you can do all this from your phone. So let's dive in. Hey creators, welcome back to YouTube Tips by Blessing. If you are new here, I help creators like you grow their channel using just a simple mobile friendly strategies. Today we are talking about YouTube SEO, the secret sauce to ranking higher in search results and getting discovered by new viewers. Before we start, hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you never miss a tip that could change your channel's game. Here is the biggest mistake creators make. They film first, then they try to optimize later. But YouTube SEO starts before you even hit record. Open YouTube on your phone. Go to the search bar. Start typing a topic related to your niche. Let's say how to edit videos is your topic. Then you will notice how YouTube auto-complete your search. Those suggestions are researches people are making right now. Write down 3 to 5 of those autocomplete suggestions. These are your golden keywords. For example, how to edit videos on phone, how to edit videos for beginners, how to edit videos for YouTube. Pick the one that matches what you want to teach. These keywords will become your video title and the main focus of your content, because YouTube's algorithm loves when your content directly answer what people are searching for. The algorithm categorizes your video based on keywords. When your targets actual search terms, you are telling YouTube exactly who to show your videos to. Most creators don't know this, but YouTube Studio has hidden settings that boost your SEO automatically. So now you open YouTube Studio on your phone, tap that 3 little lines on the top left, scroll down to setting, then tap upload default. Here is what you need to fill out: your channel keywords. Add 5 to 10 broad keywords about your niche. Your description. Write a template description that includes your main keywords naturally. Then add tags. Add your channel's keywords here too. Every time you upload, these settings apply automatically, saving you time and boosting your SEO consistency. This video from TubeBuddy reveals that proper channel keywords help YouTube's algorithm categorize all your content better, not just individual videos. Your title is the #1 ranking factor for YouTube SEO. But here is the secret: it needs to match what people are actually searching for. Use this simple structure: main keywords plus benefits plus hook. For example, this is a bad word. My video editing tips is bad. Good one: how to edit videos on phone, beginner tutorial is good. Bad, another bad example is growing on YouTube is bad. Good one is YouTube SEO tips to rank your video higher in 2025. This is a good one. Notice how the good include the exact keywords someone would search for. That is intentional. YouTube scans your title first to understand what your video is about. Then keep your main keywords in the first 50 characters. That is what shows up in search results and get clicked. Your description is where give YouTube more context about your video. Here is the structure I use for every video. First 2 lines, repeat your main keywords and explain what viewers will learn. Example, in this video, I share YouTube SEO tips to help you rank your videos higher in 2025. You will learn keyword search, tag strategies, and optimization hacks from your phone. Include timestamp. Break down your videos into sections with keywords, related keywords. Add 2 to 3 sentences naturally. Example, whether you are learning how to get more views on YouTube or you are mastering video marketing strategies, these YouTube algorithm tips will help you grow faster. YouTube reads your description to understand your video. Know that. YouTube reads your description to understand your topic. The more relevant keywords you include naturally, the better your chances of ranking for multiple search terms. Tags used to be huge for SEO, but in 2025 they are less important than titles and descriptions. Still, they can help you to categorize your content. Use 8 to 12 tags maximum. Here is how to choose them. Exact match tag your video title word for word. Example is YouTube SEO tips to rank your videos higher. Broad keywords, general topics related to your video. Specific long tail keywords, phrases people actually search. Channel branding, your channel name or niche. Remember, don't stuff 30 plus tags. YouTube sees that as spam and it can hurt your ranking. Quality over quantity. There you have it, 5 YouTube SEO strategies that will help you rank higher and get discovered by the right audience. Remember, SEO isn't a one-time thing. Apply these tips to every video you upload and you will see consistent growth over time. Now, here is your action step. Pick one video idea, research the keywords using YouTube autocomplete and optimize it using these strategies. Then come back and tell me in the comments how it performed. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more YouTube growth tips, and check out this next video where I'll show you 7 YouTube mistakes keeping your views at 0. I'll see you there. Keep creating, keep growing, and remember, your breakthrough is just one optimized video away. Thank you for watching.